So I made a logo for a famous TikToker called Matt Mellish, and after I was done making the logo, I threw it in the trash. Here's why. Matt's channel focuses on one thing. Legos. I should probably clean that up. The process started by just busting out my sketch pad and drawing out some ideas I had. I was trying to make the letter M using Lego bricks, and eventually I just decided to, grab the Lego bricks out of my closet and try to see if I could make some shapes or figure out something that would work. And eventually I stumbled upon this idea of using shadows to form the letter M, and it actually worked really, really well. So I jumped into a 3D program called Blender and just made some basic Lego shapes and colored them, and here's what I ended up with. Now, I actually think this logo looks really cool, but the problem is it looks a little too sharp and it doesn't quite fit the feeling that Matt's channel gives off. I mean, look at that happy smiling face. The two just don't quite match. So what now? Well, I went back to the drawing board and made something better. See, Matt does this dance on TikTok and he's been doing it for, as of this recording, 683 days straight. And it always ends the same way. So, what if I took the iconic ending of this dance that he does every single day and make it into a logo? And here's what I came up with. Hey there, sorry to interrupt. Look, I hope you're enjoying this content and I'm doing my best to build this YouTube channel from scratch. And YouTube needs to think my content is actually worth something. So if you've liked this video, don't feel pressure to subscribe, but I would absolutely love it if you would consider giving a like. And if you'd love to subscribe, that'd be awesome. I'd be happy to have you. Thanks. Roll the video. I think this turned out really nice and it adds just a little bit of personality to the logo. It's nice and vibrant as well, and you can see I didn't want to waste those Lego bricks in the background. Here's just a few mock-ups I made to show what it could look like in real life. This project was really fun, and I've never really experimented with shadows before, so that was a first. I'm going to send this logo to Matt and see what he thinks. Hopefully, I'll keep you updated on that. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hey, before you leave, one last thing. I teach Adobe Illustrator for free on this channel. That's what it's for. And if you want to learn Adobe Illustrator, check out the video on the right. It's going to teach you some of the basic skills you need to know. If you just want to see some more fun videos, check out the video on the left. I think you'll like it.